In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in Wave. This is a straightforward process that you'll be able to complete in just a few minutes. So, whether you're new to Wave or just need a refresher, stay tuned, and we'll walk through each step together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Wave accounting website. Once there, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This is going to take you to the login page. If you've set up your Wave account using a Google account, simply click on Sign In with Google and select the appropriate Google account. This integration makes logging in quick, secure, and easy. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll want to click on the Accounting tab. Once you're in the Accounting section, take a moment to locate Chart of Accounts from the options presented and give it a click. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage your various accounts within Wave. Now, moving forward, you'll see a button that says Add a New Account. Click on it. This will bring up a form where you'll need to input some details about your new account. Begin by selecting the account type. Here, navigate to the Expenses section since we are adding an expense account. From the list of options, choose the account that best fits the type of expense you want to track. After you've selected your expense account, it's time to give it a name. Whatever you choose here should clearly describe the expense to make tracking more cohesive and accurate for the future. Don't forget to add an account ID. It may seem like a minor detail, but this ID will help keep your accounts organized and easily accessible. You also have the option to type in a description if you feel it's necessary to provide additional context for this account. This can be an especially handy feature if multiple team members access the account and you want everyone to be on the same page about what each account represents. Once all of your information is filled out and you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and click on the Save button. Doing this will officially add the account to your chart. And there you have it. You've successfully entered an expense in Wave. By following these steps, you ensure that your business expenses are tracked accurately, making it easier to stay on top of your financials. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your expenses more effectively. Stay tuned for more tutorials.